Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Dropbox account. If you're using any Android phone or any PC and now you want to create your Dropbox account, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your browser and here you have to simply search for Dropbox. Just search for this and open the first website from here. Here's the Dropbox website. Open this. Now here you just have to tap on try Dropbox for free, or you can also tap on get started, login, or sign up. If you already have an account, you can select login from here. So let's say I'm going to select sign up to create a new account. Now just wait for the next interface. So after that, you might see at this type interface, you just have to select in which way you want to log in. If you want to log in with your Apple account, you might select Apple account from here, or you can also use your email address. So let's say I'm gonna use my Google address here. Just have them continue with Google, or you can also tap on continue with this Google pop-up. So I'm gonna select continue with Google from here. Select your Google account, and here just select continue. Now your Google account has been ready to use with Dropbox. Just tap on agree and sign up and it will create a new account for you. After that, you must see at this step interface. From here, you have to choose your plan for your Dropbox. So if you want to use Dropbox for free, so you can select this option with 2 GB basic plan, or you can also get any plan from here. There's the 30 days subscription, so you can get which one you want to. So let's say I'm going to select this continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. Now your Dropbox account is completely ready to use. You can easily upload your files from here to save for later. You can also see the same files from your mobile phone using the same website. Now from here, if you want to use your Dropbox account, here you have personal option, the work option. You also have the school option from here. I'm gonna select personal because I'm gonna use this account for personal use. You can install the desktop app of Dropbox, or you can also install mobile app using this QR code. I'm gonna skip this step from here. Just tap on skip step option. And after that, you might see this type interface. On this page, you just have to tap on this next option and then tap on OK. And here you can easily upload your files. You can create new folders. You can also install app from here if you want to. You might see your files, your photos, your shared files here. You can also get your deleted files if you have recently deleted files. So you might get them here. So in this way, you can easily create your own Dropbox account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.